Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are pre-recording May 27th. It's not that uncommon to have some cold days in May, and when it heats up, it's going to heat up. Darren and I recently took a trip to South Dakota. Actually, we took 2 trips to South Dakota in 2 weeks' time. We had a good time, but they held our mail. This is the interesting part of it that I thought you'd like to see me unbox. I bought a few things from, look, ripped open again. I don't know what they do. I have some packages right now held up. I don't know what this is. Held up in Indiana since May 4th. I am not happy. I do not, oh, I know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm not going to show it just yet. Darren and I have been going to Renaissance fairs, and I got something different to wear so that I'm not wearing the same thing every time. Actually, I have a few. Oh, look what they did to my box again. Aww. So aggravating.
Poor box.
Okay, let's see what I got here. It's been one of those times where my orders from Aliexpress are really taking a long time. As I say that, I have to eat my words because my 2 combs came. I buy these metal combs. These are longer than the ones I had got before. I might order more of those. Not only for my dolls, but for my Yorkshire Terrier. And it seems like every time I need one, I put them up, and I need more ups, not because I can't find it, like before, but because I need them closer, and I take them with me. I take one of those for a doll and a different one for my dogs. So, let's see what we got here. I kind of think I know what this is, and it's something different, I think. Maybe. All right. What else did I get? These are not ringing a bell. Oh. These are for my 1/3 scale dolls. Darren is making me one. We're going to get back to that very, very soon. These were inexpensive on Aliexpress, so I grabbed them up. I love sewing for my dolls, but sometimes I just want to buy them an outfit when the outfits are cheap enough, and these were less than $5 for the top and the overalls, and the overalls are stretchy, long ways, but look at this cute top. It has a little hood, and I do believe that hood might actually fit, and it has the hole for the hair to come out the back. So I got those because they were sitting in my basket for a long time, and if you are an Aliexpress shopper, you know that the prices are skyrocketing, and the shipping has gone up so much. Look at these cute little boots I got. Oh, those are adorable. So I bought those, and now I'm curious what's in this one. Like I said, I ordered these quite a while back. Seems to be slow shipping again. Okay, Marna, grab it and go. Oh, this is some fabrics. I am doing a mermaid coming up very soon. I've been thinking about her for a while. And I saw this fabric and I thought, oh, how cute would that be for a second outfit for a mermaid? I got this on Aliexpress. That's quite a bit here. And it feels, how do I describe this? Slick, but nice enough. How's that? And I thought it would be really, probably turn it this way. And I thought it'd be really cute for a little dress, maybe a top. Just a cute little print for a mermaid, I thought. Mermaid Blythe. and another one I'm doing. Let's see what else came. The fabric took quite a little while to get here. I'm trying to remember when I ordered everything. I've been watching the mailbox, you know, with that frustrating, you open it up and the package isn't there. Okay, I got some eyes. I've been doing some customizing and I'm going to be doing more, and those got here just in time. I actually have 3 dolls I'm working on right now. Neo size Blythe. This feels like fabric, but since that came in such a small, boy, I really want to be careful with this one. If you watch my channel, you know I'm heavy-handed and oftentimes break things that I don't mean to. I try to rip and tear. I think this might be something for the Ren Fair also. It is. This is for Darren. We'll show you those another time. All right, let's see what's in this one. I think I know what this is. I ordered a couple of midi Blythes. I'm in love with Blythe dolls. I just am. I am so smitten with the Blythe. That doesn't feel like a Blythe. That does. Let's see what else we have here. Well, this feels like, I had another piece of fabric that I ordered at the same time as that. Could this be it? It is, yay. Oh, this is cute. It's smaller print than I thought, which is absolutely perfect. Wednesday Addams. What does it say? We wear black. Yeah, I have a couple projects I want this far. That's fun. I'm gonna open this because I'm more curious than, oh, I know what this is. I am doing a collab that this is going to be necessary for, if it is what I think it is. And since it was marked shipped or out for delivery, this one's a little harder to open. I used to really come unglued when they mailed dolls like this. Now, sometimes I think it's safer than the boxes. It is. Oh, wait till you see what I got. These are different and they are inexpensive. I think I paid, oh gosh, $10 or less for this little ball jointed. Oh, I might need a horse for mine. Oh, yeah, this could ride a horse. Look, he can hold the reins too. How cute is that? Allison, look, he can hold the reins properly. That is cute. And, oh, that's cool. You do have to cut this, I read in the reviews, which will be Darren's job, to add the eyes, and you can get different colored eyes. And you might not like the shoes, but shoes, always a good thing. So you hold that. Watch this. He's so articulated that he can hold his eyes, and he, she, whatever. So that is going to be fun. Not going to tell you when, where, or with who, but I have a collab coming. And we ordered those, and we wanted to get them. Oh boy, be careful here, because this is really, this one is, seems like a couple layers of, okay. So I wasn't sure if I'd like that doll. Oh, I want to save that. So I got two. And I thought he would be smaller. How cute is this guy? I'm gonna rip this since it is and put him in something different when I get done. And again, shoes. I think this one was about $5 or less. I have to look it up. But I like this one because it came with hair and eyes. Well, came with eyes, but the hair, I think there's a net on it. You know what? I'm not taking it down. But this is one of those cute little dolls. I love these. They're so articulated. They too can ride a horse, hold things, their hands move, twist. Their little heads go up and down. They're just cute, and shoes. So I get to decide which one I want to use. Oh, and his little ears are not only elfed out, they're notched, which I thought was cute. Real cute. Hold your shoes.
What does he have on his head?
Oh, little horns.
Horns.
Little horns, yeah. We could take those off is what I was thinking, if I wanted to. And maybe I don't. All right, let's see. There's supposed to be 2. And I thought that other was 1, but not.
Antlers. They're more like antlers.
Yeah. It is antlers, indeed. Oh, look. They finally sent me an outfit, but only one for $2. And did I get both hands? I did. Look how tiny these hands are on these tiny, tiny dolls. Oh, I love these middies. Look at that. They're so tiny. These dolls look bigger than they are. I'm going to open this one. I'm not the other. Not right now. I've been banking these dolls. When I see them at good prices, I've been buying them for future collabs or whatever. Oh, I love these little dolls. What can I show you to show you how tiny these dolls are? They're just, I'm not going to take that off. Their eyes, yeah, I guess I am. Their eyes, I love this, move back and forth. There's a little dial in the back, and you push that back and forth, and these little dolls are adorable. They're just tiny. These are the eyes from the Neo Blythe, the full-size Blythe. If you look at one of these can't really pull them out. That could sit on her waist with change. I mean, if you put a nickel or a quarter behind these dolls, you can see it on either side. I love their tiny bodies. Some people don't. To me, it's quite a challenge. Check out that hand. To sew for them, and that's fun for me. So I got 2. I got that one, and this one has like graying hair. Gee, I wonder why I got her. You know what? I am going to open her up. I do want to see. I want to see. Darren said, yeah, you need that one. At one time in my life, I thought I would dye my hair when I went gray, but I don't think I'm going to. But as you can see, she has brown hair that has white in it, kind of like me. But isn't she adorable? Oh, just look at the body. How tiny. Look at that. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Love these dolls. Just love these dolls. Okay. So then we have this one. Which direction does this go? And this is for a collab, a custom, and probably a custom gift. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Yay! I got 3 dark-haired dolls. I guess I should try their eyes on camera. If you've never seen a Blythe doll, a full-size Blythe doll before, or a Blythe doll, each of the Blythe doll sizes does something different with their eyes. The largest size, which is this, has a pull string in the back. Oh my God, this is thick hair. I can't say it's not, I don't know. I don't think it's greasy, but it has a feel to it.
Kind of looks like it from here.
Yeah, but you pull the string and that changes their eye direction and the color of their eyes. Isn't that fantastic? I love these dolls. These are my favorite dolls. I will check these 2 on camera, but you don't have to sit through it. They all have the same color, and I think this is something different, and I'm excited about it. Something very different for my channel, if it's what I think. is. I don't know what I got here.
Trip to the emergency room waiting to happen.
Yeah, I know. I'm so heavy-handed. Move your hands away from the sharp things. What the heck? Not what I thought at all. I ordered another one of these little elf dolls from a different seller. Different color shoes, but same thing. Same color eyes. Now, is it the same size? I think it's the exact same doll. No, no, it is. Little different color. Why did I order two? I don't know, I like them. I like the ears and the articulation. See if there's anything else in here. There is not. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.